Hey folks, I'm Trish Davis. I live full-time in my cannabis bus. Yes, it is going to be cannabis bus on wheels, cannabis lounge. Can we go in? I've already ripped out the seats. We had to tear out some heaters, but it's still in the process. Come on in. Excuse the mess. I've been exploring and experiencing with magnets. Magnets really hang up lots of things, especially the very powerful ones in the back. I have it sectioned off right now so it holds the heat in the back and it keeps it pretty cool in the front. Yes. Oh. I have antique furniture in here as well. This is an antique. And this is an antique. I'm in the process of stripping it up and refurnishing the wood, and that's what I do. I like restoring antiques. All antiques. Yeah. So I'm in the process of figuring out if I want padding, and I got a lot of ideas from people from the show this year about I'm going to put a sunroof in the back. It's busted, and why not? Right. You can see the flooring where we tore all the seats out. There was many seats in here, but we got them out. Yeah. I had a friend that let me come on his property, Indian reservation down in Tucson. And the guys helped pull out all the heaters that had antifreeze in them. And we had to pour the antifreeze back in the bus, so it was fun.
Yeah. That's one of the messiest parts of the job.
Yes, exactly. And I'm glad I watched the video before I did it. Right. Excellent. Did I do great?
Okay. Now, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, do you have any social media presence or?
Still working on that, but you can catch me on Miss Fixit, 1013 at Hotmail.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.